Are you looking for a faster way to achieve consistent profits? Hello traders, in this video, we'll be discussing the best settings for a scalping strategy that works across various assets. We'll also demonstrate how to use this strategy during a 15-minute forex scalping session. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to support this channel by liking the video and subscribing. Next, let's add our first indicator. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Red K Momentum Bars. Select the Red K Momentum Bars indicator by Red K Trader. This indicator acts as a signal filter in the market. The indicator shows three types of bars. Green bars indicate a bullish confirmation. Red bars indicate a bearish confirmation. White bars mean no dominant momentum. Avoid entries during these periods. Now let's add the second indicator to help guide trend direction and pinpoint entry points. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type NSDT HAMA Candles. Select the NSDT HAMA Candles indicator by North Star Day Trading. Let's configure this indicator. In the Input tab, change length open to 50, change length close to 45, set the MA line length to 100. Then, go to the Style tab and uncheck the Tables box. Once you've done that, click OK to save the changes. The NSDT HAMA Candles indicator acts as a trend guide for entries. When the price crosses or closes above the MA line, it signals a bullish trend. Below signals a bearish trend. Also, watch the candlestick colors. Yellow indicates a market transition, red to yellow is a buy signal, green to yellow is a sell signal. How to place a sell entry. If there's a transition from a green candlestick to a yellow candlestick, it's a sell signal. Before placing a sell entry, make sure the following conditions are met. Ensure the yellow candlestick closes below the MA line. Confirm that the red K momentum bars show a red, bearish confirmation. Once all conditions are confirmed, it's a valid sell signal, and you can place your entry after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing high. Use a take-profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. How to place a buy entry. If there's a transition from a red candlestick to a yellow candlestick, it's a buy signal. Before placing a buy entry, make sure the following conditions are met. Ensure the yellow candlestick closes above the MA line. Confirm that the red K momentum bars show a green, bullish confirmation. Once all conditions are confirmed, it's a valid buy signal, and you can place your entry after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing low. Use a take-profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more content. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.